G'day mates! I've just discovered an extremely powerful online tool that helps you analyze your CPAP therapy breathing, and it is not SleepHQ. Can you believe that? And I can't wait to show it to you. I only discovered it today and it's incredible. Now to start, we're going to take a look at a few SleepHQ members who have recently switched from CPAP therapy or automatic CPAP therapy to bi-level therapy. We're going to take a look at the results, especially their airflow limitation, their upper airway resistance. And then I'm going to show you how we can use this new tool as sort of an add-on to SleepHQ to help you deep dive into that airflow limitation, that upper airway resistance. All right, you ready? Let's do it. This is Mike's profile. G'day, Mike, you bloody legend. Mike's using an AirSense 11 in CPAP mode, set to 16 centimeters of pressure. And he has EPR, which is exhalation pressure relief, set to 2. So when Mike breathes in, IPAP, 16 centimeters. When he exhales, it's gonna drop that IPAP by 2 centimeters down to 14. I'll show you that in a minute. And he's got an apnea-hypopnea index of 0.29. Once again, fantastic results on paper. Let's dig a little deeper. And we have thousands of members just like this with these similar results. So come down here. So here's the pressure, like I said before, pressure 16 and the EPAP 14. You get these two distinct pressure traces here. Beautiful leak. Well done, Mike. And let's come down once again to the breathing. And you can see here all this upper airway resistance. And it's likely increasing like this. Do you know why? During REM sleep. Because during REM sleep, we lose a lot of muscle tone. And if we zoom in here, let's have a look at the breathing. Ugh. It's ugly. It's very, very ugly. All right, have a look at the shape of that breathing there. You can see here he's likely woken up here. He's likely woken up here. Upper airflow resistance. Let's scroll forward again. He likely woke up here. There's a lot of disruptions in the sleep quality that are not going to be picked up in your MyAir, your AirView, anywhere else really. All right, so take a mental snapshot of this here. And once again, let's switch across to bi-level. And this isn't going to work for everyone. I just want to show you that some people are getting great results when they're making the switch. And if we come down here, once again, we can see now there's a much larger gap between the IPAP and the EPAP. With his old device, it was only 2. Yeah, it was 16 and 14. Now it's 5, 12 to 7. See that? Much bigger gap. And if we scroll down, have a look at that. Look at the flow limitation. It's all gone. Look at it all. Hey? We'll go back again. Look at that. And he's halved his EPAP. He's halved it. It's gone from 14 to 7. Right, crazy. And we'll zoom in. Once again. Breathing is much, 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 much nicer. It is looking the goods. Happy days. Yeah? Okay, I'm just doing a video for some work. Okay, thanks, buddy. Okay. Young fella's been painting rocks. Let me show you this new tool. I only just discovered it today, so it's brand new to me. It is called Glasgow Index. So basically what the tool does is it's analyzing the flow, the shape of your breathing, and it's looking for these markers of upper airway resistance, flow limitation. It's looking at 9 of them. Right, you have them right here. Skew. Right, so there's a little skew there at the top. That's one marker. Then we have spike. You can see it's got a spike here. We got flat top, top heavy, double peak, no pause, double inspiration, variable amplitude. And then once it's done the analysis, it gives you a breakdown of that analysis. And I'll show you it here. Now this is on CPAP mode, like I showed you before. I think it was 14 centimeters. So this is the level of the airflow limitation. And what you can do here is you can literally just like click. How cool is that? Look at that. And it kind of shows you what breathing should look like, this little red trace here. And it gives you this blue line, which is what your breathing looks like, right? Just incredible. And you can go forward. Look at that. Man, this is so good, guys. This is so good. I absolutely love it. I mean, this combined with SleepHQ is like the holy grail. Like, it's unbelievably good. So take a look here. Look at this ugly breathing. CPAP, EPAP of 14. And let's take a look at it with the bi-level. What was it? EPAP of 7 or 8, I think it was. All right, so just take a mental snapshot here and we'll go to the next one. Oh, look at that. Look at the difference. Look at all this. Look at this. All right, so there are still some periods here. Like we can click, there'll still be some periods, but even then it still looks so much better. Hey, look at that. All right, see how now like the red is matching up with the blue? We'll go back to the previous example. All right, you can see the red's not really matching up with the blue here. So good, so good. The platform gives you a score. So you can see here, skew was 0.4, spike was 0.21, so it's out of 1. And then we add up all these values and we get the overall score, 2.15. And if we switch across to the bi-level, overall 1.18. So the lower, the better. And I think ideally you want to be under 0.2. Like that's ninja breathing. Perfect breathing. All right, but maybe 0.2 to 1 is pretty good. And then 1 to 2, okay. If you're getting above 2, not too good. If you're getting above 4, you need to make some serious changes, okay? But just another great tool you can use in combination with SleepHQ to really deep dive into the quality of your therapy, to get the best results. Forget about myAir, forget about AirView, forget about whatever you're using. This is what you want to be checking out. Now I'll do a full write-up of this platform, instructions, how you can use it, what to look for in the SleepHQ Pro community for the members. If you want to join that community, check it out. It's community.sleephq.com. It is part of our Pro plan, the paid plan. But you can sign up, join SleepHQ. You get 2 weeks free access of the Pro version, and you can deep dive all you like and go over there and say hi to all the members.